If you're looking to bring your creative ideas to life with precision and convenience, look no further than the Stellen DaVinci toolbox. From the table saw to the belt sander and beyond, the DaVinci provides a range of tabletop functions that allow you to work with precision and ease. And with its lithium-ion battery, you will never be tethered to a power outlet again. Whether you're a professional craftsman or a DIY enthusiast, the DaVinci is the ultimate toolbox for unleashing your creativity. With its sleek stainless steel work surface, the DaVinci turns any table into a powerful workstation in seconds, and thanks to its easy-to-connect Genius box, master handle, and creator tool, you can get started with your project right away. But what really sets the DaVinci apart is its Leonardo grip, which delivers efficient power to tackle even the toughest jobs. So if you're looking to take your creative skills to the next level, the Stellen DaVinci is the toolbox for you. With its innovative technology, easy to assemble design, and range of functional tools, it's the perfect choice for anyone who wants to bring their ideas to life with precision and convenience. Have you ever found yourself struggling to install siding by yourself? Well, fear not, my friend. The Pack Tool Gecko Gauge sliding tool is here to save the day. This handy tool is perfect for one-person installation and can support 7 and 16 inches thick siding with virtually no layout time required. Plus, it can reduce labor requirements by half. That means more time for you to kick back and relax. The Gecko Gauge SA903 is also adjustable at a 1/4 inches increments for 4 inches to 8 inches siding reels, making it perfect for those who like to get things just right. And if you're worried about scratching or marring your pre-painted siding, fear not, the Gecko Gauge won't leave a mark. But wait, there's more. This patented friction cam mechanism supports full 16 feet LP siding lengths, so you won't have to worry about annoying interruptions during installation. And if you're using fiber cement board siding, the Gecko Gauge has got you covered. Get ready to revolutionize your pipe inspection game with the ROCAM Mini HD and the 2522 HD module from Rothenberger. This dynamic duo is the start of a new era of inspection cameras that will blow your mind. With the ROCAM Mini HD, you'll be able to quickly analyze and report blockages to your customers with ease. This image quality is absolutely brilliant, providing razor-sharp images and videos in full HD quality. And with the 2522 HD module, you can inspect pipes for blockages and damages faster and more conveniently than ever before. This Mini packs a powerful punch and is suitable for all common pipes from DN40 to the DN110, making it a versatile tool for all your inspection needs. Plus, it has a higher bendability and a long range of 22 meters, allowing you to inspect pipes comfortably, even over several stories. And the best part, it's waterproof as well. Now, the ROCAM Mini HD is equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen that allows you to select all functions with ease. The operation is intuitive, and you can mark leaks or blockages in the pipe directly in the image and record them quickly and easily with the help of a damage catalog. And since the touchscreen reacts to pressure, you can even operate it with working gloves on. But wait, there's more. The accompanying app has a live stream function that allows the image of the ROCAM Mini HD to be mirrored on a mobile device. This means that you can involve your customers in the inspection process and save time in post-processing. Are you tired of struggling to measure distances accurately, especially in complicated environments like construction sites? Well, look no further than the SpaceMaster DP20, the smart, eco-friendly laser distance meter that makes measuring a breeze. What sets the DP20 apart is its coaxial optics patent, which means that the laser head at each end of the meter projects opposite light beams that share a common geometric axis, making measurement incredibly efficient and accurate. Whether you need to calculate the distance between 2 points or find the height or level distance of an object, the DP20 has got your back. What's even better is that the DP20 features both unilateral and bilateral measurements, meaning that it can measure distances under even the most irregular spatial structures. And to make things even easier, the DP20 is paired with an intelligent app that allows for real-time data synchronization and automatic data labeling. This means that you can share data measurement with your construction partners in real time, making collaboration an easy-peasy task. Do you dread cutting fiber cement siding because the mess and the risk of inhaling silica dust? Well, worry no more, because the Snapper Shear Siding Pro is here to save the day. This innovative cutting tool is designed to attach to any drill motor, making it ultra portable and convenient. It's also incredibly versatile, cutting through fiber cement siding up to 5 and 6 inches thick with ease. Plus, it adjusts for both right and left-handed users, so everyone can use it comfortably. But here's the best part: the Snapper Shear Siding Pro produces minimal airborne silica dust, making it OSHA compliant and much safer to use. And if you're working with pre-painted siding, simply cut the painted side face down for perfect finished edges every time. So whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the Snapper Shear Siding Pro is the perfect addition to your toolkit. And since it attaches to any drill motor, you can bring your own drill and get straight to work. Overall, the Snapper Shear Siding Pro is a game changer when it comes to cutting fiber cement siding. It's cleaner, quieter, and safer than traditional cutting methods, and it produces less mess for easy cleanup. So why struggle with messy and dangerous cutting methods when you can make your life easier with the Snapper Shear Siding Pro? So get yours today and experience the difference for yourself. Are you tired of trying to create a seamless paint job only to be left with hard tape lines and paint buildup? Well, fear not, my friend, the Soft Edge Masking Tape Dispenser is here to save your day. This handy tool is designed to create a soft edge on masking tape, allowing paint to disperse evenly and avoiding those pesky hard lines. And the best part, it's super easy to use. Just load the dispenser with masking tape and pull out the desired length. The Soft Edge feature will automatically create a slightly lifted edge, making it a breeze to fade out paint and blend in with cutting compound. But wait, there's more. The Soft Edge Masking Tape Dispenser is also versatile. You can mount it to your workshop bench or wall, making it easily accessible and eliminating the need for additional storage space. Plus, this handle allows for in-situation use, which is perfect for larger projects. With a Soft Edge Masking Tape Dispenser, you'll be able to achieve a professional finish every time. And not only that, it'll save you time and tape. So say goodbye to frustrating paint jobs and hello to a seamless finish. Time to say goodbye to wobbly ladders and makeshift platforms with the Werner 790-23. Werner Adjustable Pro Aluminum Work Platform is a versatile and is designed to meet the needs of professionals who work on uneven surfaces and stairways, offering 10 different height positions to suit a variety of job requirements. With its easy grab handle and single-handed lock and height adjustment, the Werner is incredibly user-friendly. Now you'll be able to maneuver the platform with ease, even on the most challenging job sites. And because it's made from durable aluminum, you can trust that it will stand up to the rigors of daily use. Whether you're a professional tradesman or a DIY enthusiast, the Werner Adjustable Pro Aluminum Work Platform is a must-have addition to your toolkit. It offers unmatched versatility, durability, and ease of use, making it the perfect adjustable ladder for any job. Are you looking to up your sanding game? Well, look no further than the Flex Giraffe's GE7. This long neck sander sets a new standard with its unparalleled flexibility, ease of handling, and precision. With interchangeable heads for sanding edges, corners, and borders, you can quickly and easily adapt the tool to meet your specific needs. One of the standout features of the Flex Giraffe GE7 is its ergonomic design and optimal weight distribution. This means you can work for long longer periods without experiencing fatigue, making it a top choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Plus, with its precise balance and twist-resistant design, you'll be able to tackle freehand work with ease and accuracy. But the Flex Giraffe isn't just easy on the hands, it's also incredibly versatile. With the innovative interchangeable head system, you can easily attach and remove sanding heads with a simple click. This means you'll always have the right sanding head for the job, whether you're working on edge, corner, or border processing, or rotary and eccentric sanding. Upgrade your sanding game with the Flex Giraffe GE7 and experience unrivaled flexibility, handling, and precision like never before. Now let's talk about the Aeropower, the versatile and portable pneumatic 5.25 tons push and pull ram that's revolutionizing the way repairs are done. So now you can say goodbye to the headaches of leaking porta powers or hello to a simple, more efficient solution. With the Aeropower, you can complete 60% of the repairs you currently use your bulky frame machine or floor system for, all with the optional 53-piece accessory kit that costs a fraction of the price and takes up even less space. No need to anchor the vehicle, just brace off the strong areas and push the weak, damaged area for speedy sheet metal restoration. But that's not all. The Aeropower is incredibly easy to use, operated with just one hand or the included remote cable. It's a breeze to set up and get to work. And with its fast setup time and portable design, is the perfect complement to any brand of frame. Plus, the Aeropower system comes with an awesome blue card that makes it even more convenient to move around your shop. Are you tired of struggling to move those big, thin panel porcelain tiles? Well, look no further than the Raimondi Easy Move, the ultimate lightweight transport device that'll make your tile moving woes a thing of the past. This fully adjustable transport kit can extend from 3.3 feet, 100 centimeters to all the way up to 10.5 feet, 320 centimeters, making it the perfect size for any tile you need to move and set. The Easy Move is composed of two adjustable aluminum profiles connected by two crossbars, each with 8 vacuum suction cups that slide easily along the aluminum profiles thanks to the quick lock release handle system. But that's not all. The suction cups are free to tilt and pivot to provide maximum grip in every situation. And with the 8 6-inch vacuum suction cups that are gauged for textured tiles and built with non-marking rubber, you won't have to worry about damaging your tiles or leaving marks on the surface. The vacuum pump system allows you to restore or increase vacuum grip while still attached to the tile, so you won't have to worry about losing your grip. Plus, with a total lifting weight of about 2,300 pounds, the Easy Move can handle even the heaviest of tiles. Oh, this will come handy for almost everyone. So say goodbye to pesky clogs with the WDT250 cleaning device. This innovative tool is the ultimate solution for cleaning water drains on sunroofs. Whether it's leaves or other debris causing the problem, the WDT250 can easily remove any buildup, leaving your sunroof drains flowing smoothly. Now, the WDT250 is not your average cleaning aid. Its wire holder comes equipped with a closing lid, making it adaptable to any standard cordless drill. This means you can easily power the cleaning shaft with any cordless drill you have on hand. The cleaning shaft is a specially designed, flocked shaft that ensures a thorough and efficient cleaning every time. Plus, the WTT has an OEM released and approved by Volkswagen AG, so you know you're getting a top-quality German product. This cleaning device is not only flexible and robust, but also complies with the latest technical requirements. Its flexible cleaning probe can still be pushed without kinking and can withstand direct successive changes of direction, making it easy to use in tighter radii. Say goodbye to the struggles of cutting tubes manually. The RIDGID power tubing cutter is here to make your life easier. Now, this power tool cuts through stainless steel, carbon steel, copper, aluminum, and plastic tubing like a hot knife through butter. Whether you're on a commercial, residential, or industrial job, the PDC 400 is the perfect choice for quick and efficient cuts. One of the best things about this tubing cutter is its portability. Weighing only 32 pounds, you can easily carry it to and from your job site without any hassle. Plus, it comes with an integrated handle and a cord wrap for easy storage. The PDC 400 is also incredibly efficient. With its quick-acting engagement feature and easy-to-use feed screw, you'll get high-speed cutting without sacrificing quality. The optimal cutter wheel profile ensures that you get a smooth, quality cut every time. And with 2 rotating speeds, you can easily make smooth cuts on long or short tubes. The foot bulb allows for hands-free control of the power, making it easier to keep your work steady and consistent. You can easily replace the cutter wheel without any tools, saving you time and hassle. So no more struggling to maintain your tools. The RIDGID PDC 400 makes it easy to keep everything in tip-top shape.